integrations which involves the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities use करके what are the integrations are there that let us see here now. Okay. So trigonometric identities means usually what is meant by identity? How many of you know about the identity? What is meant by identity? Identity बोले तो क्या? If I am saying that x equal to 1, is it an identity? Right. If I say that a plus a equal to 2a, yes, because it is true. The equation which is true for all the values of the variable, that is nothing but a plus b whole square is there usually. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A and b values, whatever you take, it is true. That's why we call it as an identity. Like that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 for all the values of theta. In the same way, secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, but not for all the values of theta. Where the theta is defined, in class 10th you have, whenever you learn the class 10th and 11th class, it is defined means secant square theta minus tan square theta. Cos theta 0 किधर होगा? 90 degrees. Cos theta 0 किधर होगा? 90 degrees. That is nothing but tan theta is not defined in the place of 90 degrees. 1 by 0 होगा. So that is nothing but secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, not at 90 degrees. 90 degrees पे वो equal नहीं होगा because it is not defined. Secant square theta is not defined. Secant 90 degrees is not defined and tan 90 degrees is not. Where it is defined, there only it will be considered. Okay. So like the trigonometric identities, so many identities you have learned in class 11th only. And suppose by using such identities, integration. Suppose let us take the one example as cos to the power of 4x dx is equals to. So cos power 4x we are not having. So it is compared as cos square x whole square dx. And this cos square x can be written as multiple angles में लिखना. Multiple angles is nothing but square we are having. cos square का integration directly हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. But cos 2a is equals to what? Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 plus cos 2x by 2 you can write as a cos square x. Cos square x को क्या लिख सकते हैं? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. As we are having cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 here, 2 cos square x minus 1. From that cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Why? Because why it is replaced by this one? Because integration of cos 2x is an easy task to us to do. But integration of cos square x we cannot. Normal. We can do it, that one also, by consideration something. Even substitution method also. But whenever you are having square cube, that should be replaced with the submultiple angles like this. And you need to expand it. 1 plus a plus b whole square expansion can be done here. 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x by 4 dx. Because 2 square value is 4. समझ में आया ना? So identity, what identity we are using? We are using the identity cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So according to the situation, we need to use the identities here. Now here इसको split कर दिया है, and 1 by 4 is written outside, and integration of 1 dx, 2 into integration of cos 2x, integration of cos square 2x. Again here you are having a square. Again you are having a square there. So that can be replaced normally whenever you are taking into consider. Yes. See here again you are having cos square 2x. This cos square 2x, it is in the form of the cos square x. X का place में 2x. So square whenever it is there, that should be replaced with the submultiple angle, multiple angles. Multiple angles के जैसा replace करें. इधर what you will get here cos square 2x means 1 plus cos 4x आ जाएगा. So 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Did you understand here? So what is done here? And this one, again, you need to split this one. Cos square 2x equal to 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So again, उसको split कर लिया. Now it is required thing is we are going to get the integration in such a way that 1 dx cos 2x का integration is sin 2x, right? But 2x should be considered as a dx. 2x is equals to t consider करना. So इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? cos 2x का इंटीग्रेशन sin 2x by 2 आएगा. And here 1 dx. Integration of cos 4x is nothing but sin 4x by 4. Why sin 4x by 4? इसका sin 4x by 4 क्यों आएगा? 4x equal to t कंसिडर करो. 4 dx is equals to dt हो जाएगा. dx equal to dt by 4 हो जाएगा. So when we are converting this one into the substitution method, remember we are using. Already we have used the substitution method, so directly you can use it here. The multiple angle whatever you are having, that is written as in the denominator. Usually differentiation करते समय हम लोग क्या करते हैं? इसका differentiation क्या बोलेगा? इसको differentiate करके again इसको differentiate करते हैं, isn't it? In the integration करते समय it is not x, cos 4x में x नहीं है, इसको कंसिडर कर लिया, तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है वो डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. So that point you remember, so that it is a shortcut way to write. Usually we are going to get 4x equal to t consider करना है, 4 dx is equals to dt आ जाएगा, dx equal to dt by 4 आएगा, तो dx के प्लेस में dt by 4 आएगा, इधर cos t आएगा. cos t का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? sin t by 4 आएगा, और t प्लेस में again 4x भी लिखो. So same thing we are going to do. So like this, using the trigonometric identity, you can find out the integration of cos power 4x in this way. This is the cos power 4x integration. Unsimplified. It looks like a very lengthy problem, but it is not complicated. So integration of cos power 4x dx is equals to 1 by 32 into 12x plus 8 sin 2x plus 4 sin x sin 4x plus c. So this is one example here. So how do we solve these integrals? Integrals with the trigonometric functions whose integrals are unknown. So here some flow chart is given to you. Through this flow chart you can do that different types of the identities wherever it is given to you, that you can. So use the standard trigonometric identity to convert the integrand into the functions whose integrals can be evaluated easily. Suppose cos square is given to you. Cos square हम लोग evaluate नहीं कर सकते हैं directly. Even substitution method also you cannot use. और cos उसको क्या करना है? Multiple angles में convert करना है. ये square में है, cos square में है, उसको multiple angles में convert करना है. So like that, integrand को we need to convert easily evaluate करने की जैसा convert करना है. Standard trigonometric identities use करना है. Here, what are the standard trigonometric identities are there? All you have to use and simplify the integrand. Integrand को simplify करना है. Just know whatever we have done. Okay, and perform the integration using the method of substitution if required. Substitution method only we are using now. 4x equal to t, 2x equal to t consider. So perform the integration of this. Okay. These are way to use the